Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here in Six Rivers National Forest near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you to the studio. I think I only showed you guys these ones yesterday, but I think I did some of these yesterday also. And then this is Wednesday. So we did some more fun lines, a little bit more intricate lines, okay? So we're just kind of playing with this, doing a little cross hatching. We're still working with pattern. We're still keeping our hands loose. We're still just going with it, right? This cracks me up. You don't have to do this. This was just something where I was like, oh, and then what if I took a Sharpie to it? And it went crazy. The Sharpie happened on Thursday night. So today, for Wednesday, do a little bit more intricate line work and push yourself to kind of, even look at the world around you and, do a grid. Just do a quick grid and then scribble one way, scribble the other way, scribble one way, scribble the other way. Super easy. Do big X's, do swirly circles, right? We're doing things that are just a little bit more intricate here today on Wednesday. Like this, all sorts of scribbly amoebas. That one's kind of wrapped around there. Little lines with dots. I mean, it's fun. It's fun. And there are things that we will be able to do with these later on. They are, for sure. So, for today, do some more intricate line work. Don't look at anything else that I've got going on the page because there's a lot of busyness. But it's fun. It's fun. Sharpie Day was a fun day. Okay, guys, I hope you have a great day. Remember, limit your time. Just do 10 minutes worth of these. You don't have to do a ton of them. If you're having a great time with it, go for it. Keep going. But just practice your line work, okay? It's simple. Let's see, this one would be more for today, for Wednesday. So think about, that was the one I messed up on. These guys, we're just doing more intricate lines. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe. Please hit that like button, you guys. That does make a huge difference. Your comments do count. Your subscription does count 100%. And I want to see what you're doing over at Messy Hands. So please jump on over to the Messy Hand Band of Artists Facebook page and show me what you got to going. We have a great group of artists over there. So, all right. And all skill levels. Don't ever feel intimidated in our group. It's positive, good energy. So, love you guys, and we will chat tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hello, artists. Okay, today we're going to push our line work just a little bit more. And we're just going to still start out with something simple. I want you to take the time to start with something simple. Right? And what if we do something like that? See if you can create movement within something simple, right? Let's see. So this one is interesting here, right there. You start out with skinny, and then you gradually get bigger. And I'm also going to follow the circle as I do it, which will give it more roundness. I can't not make a circle round, This one's pretty cool. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. or just plain. What about that one? Those are pretty cool there. It's off to one side, but then it has these little thingies coming. Cool. And you notice how I keep moving the page. I think that that's important. I don't know what I'm doing there either. Our job is not to know what it's supposed to be. Our job is to just let it be. Does not have to be anything in particular. That one's cool. So the reason why I don't want to provide you guys with all of these different doodle sketches is because we want you to come up with your own. That I'm just kind of taking a line thought from it. I am not exactly copying any of them. That's cool. I dig that one. He's fun. Oh, I like these little amoeba shapes. Concentric amoebas. Kind of fun. Oh, what else can we do? Ooh, some little circly things. Oh, here's some very deep cross hatching. Oh, I like that one there. Where it's like skip, 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 skip. Just doing patterns, different directions. Now, if I had the time, I would go through and color in every other one of those, or something cool, something fun. Variation of line. squares. I like those squares. So we're just playing, guys. Just do whatever feels right. All right, and then we always have things like this where we start to combine the two. Lines and shapes. And that's where we want to start heading towards. Looking at composition, and what if we put a swirly with a straight, swirly with a straight. What if we start to push ourselves into more pattern making again? Okay, well, I think that's about it for now. We are going to do one more day of just basic shapes, I think. And we'll put it together. Yay! All right, we'll chat soon.